Welcome back to The Explainer. All right, we have covered so much ground exploring the entire Google AI ecosystem. But this final piece isn't about looking back. It's all about moving forward. We're going to connect all the dots and turn all that theory into actual practice. Let's do this.
Because that's really the whole point, isn't it? The learning phase is done. Now, the real work and, the real transformation, that begins right now. It is time to take these tools and make a real, tangible difference in how you get things done every single day.
So, let's do a super quick recap of the powerful new AI toolkit you now have at your fingertips. These are the core tools that are going to help you completely redefine your workday.
Okay, first up, you've got Gemini. Think of it as the core intelligence, the engine that's driving everything. And the best part? It's not some separate app you have to go find. Nope, it's right there built into your workspace, ready to help you draft that tricky email, summarize a super dense report, or even brainstorm your next big idea. It's your creative and analytical co-pilot.
Next, there's NotebookLM. The best way to think about this is as your own personal research assistant. I mean, this is your secret weapon against information overload because, and this is huge, it only works with the sources you provided. That means every summary, every insight is accurate, cited, and completely private to you. And finally, Agentspace. If Gemini is your co-pilot, think of Agentspace as the orchestra conductor for your entire business. It doesn't just help with one-off tasks, it actually connects different applications. We're talking Salesforce, Jira, you name it, to automate entire workflows from start to finish. This is where we go from personal productivity to, wow, true business transformation. So, that's the toolkit. But having powerful tools is one thing. Knowing what problem you're actually solving is something else entirely. We need to move from the what to the so what. You've got Gemini, NotebookLM, Agentspace. Amazing. But what is the fundamental challenge, the thing we're all facing at work, that these tools are so perfectly designed to solve?
It's this, the modern work bottleneck. I mean, does any of this look familiar? That endless switching between apps, the constant feeling of just being buried in data, all those hours lost to repetitive low-value tasks, and that frustration of knowing the info you need is locked away in some silo you can't get to? Yeah, this is the friction that just drains our energy and kills our productivity.
And this brings us to the core philosophy of this entire journey, really. The goal isn't to replace the human. It's about forming a new, incredibly powerful partnership that amplifies our own unique abilities.
There's a quote from the source material by Johan Steyn that just captures this idea perfectly. Leveraging artificial intelligence to amplify and accelerate human capability rather than replace human judgment and experience. See, the crucial point here isn't about taking you out of the loop, it's about making you way more effective inside the loop.
This really highlights two completely different ways of thinking. The focus isn't on automation that replaces us, but on augmentation that makes us better. The goal is to see AI not as just another tool to manage, but as a real partner to collaborate with. This frees you up to be the strategist, not just the operator clicking the buttons.
So, how do we make this partnership a reality? How do you put all this incredible knowledge to work, like starting today? Well, it's a simple 3-step action plan. And here it is, super easy to remember. Experiment, be excited, and be responsible. Let's just break down exactly what each of these means for you. First, you've got to experiment. And look, don't try to boil the ocean here. Start small. Pick one repetitive, time-draining task in your week. Maybe it's summarizing meeting notes or drafting that weekly update, and just make that your first AI-powered win. Test out different prompts, see what works, and build your confidence from there. Second, be genuinely excited. I mean, think about the hours you're about to get back in your week. This isn't just about saving time, it's about what you can do with that time. It's a real opportunity to focus on the creative, strategic, high-value work that you actually enjoy and that truly moves the needle for your organization. And third, and this is so important, balance that excitement with responsibility. Remember those foundations of trust, privacy, and security. Use these tools within your organization's rules. And most importantly, always keep a human in the loop for critical decisions. AI is an incredibly powerful co-pilot, but you are, and you should always be, the captain.
So, we've laid out the map, we've gone through the toolkit, and we've got the action plan. Now, the next step, well, that belongs to you. It's your move.
And look, if you take away only one single thing from our entire time together, please let it be this. AI is not here to replace your common sense. It's not going to replace your intuition or your years of hard-won experience. It is here to complement them, to amplify your judgment and accelerate your capabilities, making you even better at what you already do best.
So I'll leave you with this final question. I want you to really think about your week, your team, your company. What is the very first time-draining, energy-sapping workflow that you are going to automate? Your journey from insight to action starts right now.